Tree removal in Morristown, Vermont. A tree may look strong from a distance. It gives shade. It stands tall through the seasons. You may think it will always be safe. But one rough storm can change everything. A heavy branch can snap. The trunk can lean toward your roof. Roots can lift and crack the ground. Many homeowners tell us the same thing after. I didn't think it would fall so fast. That's why Iconic Tree Care is here. We remove dangerous trees before they cause damage. Our crew works safe and keeps your home and yard clear. Here's what we do for Morristown and nearby towns. Take down dead, leaning, or storm-damaged trees. Remove trees close to houses, fences, and power lines. Grind stumps to free up space in your yard. Honest, local service with fair pricing. Waiting too long can turn a weak tree into a costly repair. Acting now keeps your property safe. Call Iconic Tree Care at 802-338-0802 or visit iconictreecare.com for a quick estimate. Don't wait for the next storm. Get trusted tree removal in Morristown today.